Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Daniel Lopez with Invest in New Finance, and today we are going to be opening up an LLC and registering our EIN with the IRS. So let's not waste any time and jump right into it. I'm going to go to inkfile.com, and there we can start registering our LLC. Let's just go ahead and click Get Started and run through the steps. Start your business with confidence. Let's go ahead and select the entity, which is going to be an LLC. And then we're going to select the state. For this example, we're going to use Texas. There are two ways to file your LLC. One way is to file directly with the state, and the other way is to use a company like Inkfile. Inkfile is free. However, if you want to upgrade to different services, there will be additional charges. For Texas, the state fee is $300, and we're going to select the package that's $0 and see what upcharges they try and sell us. I'm going to scroll down so we can see what the platinum, gold, and silver offer. As you can see, they offer a wide variety of services. So it just depends on what you want whenever you start your LLC. I'm just going to select the silver package. And now we are going to fill out the contact person's information. For this example, I'm just going to be the contact person myself. So I'm just going to fill out my name, email, and my phone number. This is in case they need to get a hold of someone for this order. Now, if we scroll down to the mailing address, this will be the contact person's mailing address where the forms will be sent to. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click next, and this is where they start upcharging you. Typically, it takes about 4 weeks of filing time in Texas, but if you want it done faster, you can pay an additional $50 to open up your LLC a lot quicker. So this is your personal preference. However, for this example, I'm just going to select the 4-week filing period, which is $0. Now we have the company information. I'm going to go ahead and type in the company name for this example, 123 ABC, and you can select the designator. I'm just going to select LLC because that's the least complicated selection, in my opinion. Now it says what your official name will be, and the official name is 123 ABC LLC. Now you will select how many members are in your LLC. For this example, this is a single membered LLC, so I'm going to select one. Now for business purposes, I am just going to type in consulting services. Then after that, it says, tell us what industry your business is in. I'm going to go ahead and type in business startup, and then it's going to give you a code, and this code is going to be used whenever you apply for your business checking account or business credit card. This will be the NAICS code. So go ahead and note that down for later reference. Okay, let's keep scrolling down to where it says company address information. Here you can select business address and virtual mailing services with Inkfile. This is a $29 a month service. So if this is something that interests you, you can select this. However, for this example, I'm just going to use my own address for this company. Now, if your company address is different from your contact person's address, this is where you would change it. If it's the same, you would just select that address that you had already provided. Next, here Inkfile is offering a premium service package. Upgrade for only $99 to receive these 4 premium services: EIN tax ID number, operating agreement, banking resolution, business contract templates, and then it shows the prices next to it. I'm not going to select any of these. I'm going to say no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity for now. I'm going to register the EIN later in the video. Now it's asking to provide the members' information for your LLC. Because this is a single member LLC, I am just going to select individual. And I already provided my name, so I'm just going to select my name. and address. If it was different, then you would change that information below. Next, InkFile is going to ask you for your registered agent information. They will do it for free for a year, and then they will charge $119. A registered agent receives and forwards important legal and tax correspondence on behalf of the company. I am just going to select to be my own registered agent, but if you want to go for the free service that InkFile is offering you, you can go ahead and select that. Here I will select my name and address, and then double check everything and just go ahead and click next. Now InkFile is asking if you want them to obtain your EIN for you. They will charge you $70. I'm going to show you guys how to do this after we register this LLC. So I'm going to go ahead and click no, I do not need InkFile to obtain my EIN. Now they're asking if you want them to set up a small business banking account. They can do this for you over the phone, but I'm going to go ahead and select no, not at this time. If you're interested in doing it, you can. Here you can select your preferred method of how you will receive your documents. I'm going to go ahead and select electronic delivery. They're going to send you a text, and in this text, they will have your PDFs of the business being registered. If you want a FedEx Express, you can select that for $25 and they will send you physical documents. Now they're asking if you want a free tax strategy consultation. I'm gonna go ahead and select yes. Because it is free, there's no obligations, and I can just ask them to see what they offer. I'm very interested in this, so I'm gonna go ahead and select yes. Now InkFile shows that they have identified 2 licenses for your new business, and if you want to pay them a fee of $99, you can do this. They will acquire the licenses for you and send you all the documentation that you need. I am just going to call my local small business administration and see what licenses I need, if any. So I'm going to go ahead and select no thank you. I'll work on it on my own. Next, you're going to review all your information and double check everything before you submit your application. If you want to edit anything, you can go ahead and select edit. You can make the changes and then submit your application. Finally, we are done. All we have to do is put in our billing information and agree to the legal statements and cancellation policy. Once we do this, you can go ahead and complete and pay. Then when everything has been completed and approved, you will receive a text message with all of your documents in PDF form. Congratulations, you have now opened up your LLC, so we can now proceed to opening up our EIN on the IRS website. So let's go ahead and go do that. We are now in Google. Go ahead and type sign up for EIN. Once you type this in, scroll down and select apply for an employer identification number. It will now take you to the IRS website where you can apply for the EIN online. Make sure when you apply, you are applying during the hours of operation. Otherwise, it will tell you to come back and try at a later time. If we scroll down to step 3, you can see where it says apply online now. Go ahead and click apply online now. From here, you will see a disclaimer. Go ahead and read it. And after you're done reading it, go ahead and click close. After you click close, make sure you have all your LLC paperwork. That way you can go ahead and begin the application. Go ahead and select begin application. Then it's going to ask you what type of legal structure you are applying for. In this example, we are doing a limited liability company. Click continue. Then it says you have chosen a limited liability company. what it is and what it is not. Go ahead and select continue. Then it will ask you to tell us more about your LLC, how many members are in your LLC. I'm just going to select one because this is a single membered LLC, and then it will ask you for the state. Texas is the state that I am selecting. Go ahead and select continue. Please confirm your selection. And you are just confirming that this is correct. Then it will ask you, why is this LLC requesting an EIN? I'm going to select start a new business, and then I'm going to select continue. After this, it says, please tell us about the responsible party of the LLC. We'll go ahead and fill this out accordingly, and then select continue. Now it asks, where is your LLC located? Go ahead and fill this out and select continue. Now it asks, tell us about your LLC. Go ahead and fill this out and then select continue. Answer these questions accordingly and then select continue. Then they will ask, what does your business organization do? Go ahead and look at all the categories and select the one that is closest to what your business does. If you don't see your selection, there is a space at the bottom that says other, and you can go ahead and select that and fill it out there. Here you can go ahead and select other and specify your primary business activities and then select continue. Next, they will ask you how you want to receive your EIN confirmation letter. I'm going to select receive letter online. Then you will review your information, scroll to the very bottom and select submit. Congratulations, your EIN has been successfully assigned. Go ahead and click the PDF, save it for your documents and select continue. Now here is some additional information about your EIN. You can go ahead and read through this and see what applies to you and if there are any forms that you may need. Select continue and we are done. Congratulations guys, you have now received your EIN from the IRS, so you can go and open up a business checking account or open up a business credit card. That way you can start funding your business and start making money. Thank you guys for joining me on this video. Please like, please subscribe, comment below, let me know if you have any questions. This video is for entertainment purposes only, so please consult with your professionals whenever you are doing something like this. I appreciate you guys coming in and watching the video. Take it easy, and I will catch you in the next one.